For years now, the FAANG group of stocks have been the face of the big tech names in the market. But now one analyst thinks it's time to switch things up. Let's take a look. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Today we're talking about a new group that may be taking over from the FAANG stocks. Now the FAANG grouping notoriously refers to Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. But now it's suggested there might be a better grouping out there. That new grouping is the suggestion of Wang, the principal analyst and founder of Constellation Research. He thinks it may be time to pay attention to another grouping of big tech names under the acronym MATANA. So today we're going to take a look at each of the stocks in this new grouping, and we're not only going to see what analysts have to say, but how popular the stock is amongst TipRanks investors as well. So diving right in, the first stock we're looking at, representing the M in MATANA, is Microsoft. This technology company with a $1.8 trillion market cap is well known for their array of software services and solutions, as well as devices like personal computers and tablets. Their stock trades under the ticker MSFT, currently priced at about $250 per share. And the stock is popular amongst the top investors on the TipRanks Smart Portfolio, with over 12% of all portfolios holding the Microsoft stock. It is also well loved among analysts, coming in as a strong buy based on 30 different analyst ratings with 28 buys and just 2 holds. The average price target comes in at $327 per share, which would be an upside potential of over 30%. And those price targets come from plenty of 5-star analysts as well. The most recent rating came in just yesterday with an upside potential of 45%. Second, we do have a company that comes to us from the original FAANG grouping with Apple. With a nearly $2.5 trillion market cap, Apple, of course, is known for their products such as iPhone, MacBook, and iPad, along with their digital content in the App Store and services like Apple Music and Apple TV. Their stock trades under the ticker AAPL, currently priced at $154 per share. The Apple stock is well loved by top investors on the Smart Portfolio, with 22% of all portfolios holding their stock. The overall rating for Apple does come in as a strong buy as well, but with a few more mixed opinions with 23 buys, 4 holds, and 1 sell. The average price target comes in at $183, which would be an upside potential of over 18% for this next year. And we have plenty of recent ratings following the Apple event earlier this week, with a couple of hold ratings still having upside of 9% and high-end price targets of $220, which would be growth potential of 42%. Third, we have a stock that is always very popular in the media with Tesla. With a market cap of $915 billion, Tesla not only manufactures and sells EVs, but also has solar energy generation systems and energy storage. Their stock trades under the ticker TSLA, currently priced at about $300 per share. Amongst the top investors on the TipRanks Smart Portfolio, over 15% hold Tesla, and that has increased by nearly 10% within the last month. Now, Tesla always has some varying opinions from analysts, so looking at the overall rating, it does come in as a moderate buy based on 19 buy ratings, 5 holds, and 6 sells. And with a vast range in price targets, the average price target comes in at $309, which would be a slight upside of 2.5%. And if we look at just the top rated analyst on TipRanks, that does become a bit more bullish with an upside of 9%. Looking at the last couple of weeks, we do have a hold rating with a downside of a few percent, amongst other ratings with upsides from 19 to 24%. Fourth, in our MATANA grouping of stocks is another survivor from FAANG with Amazon. Amazon provides online retail shopping services and also generates revenue from their cloud computing services, coming in with a market cap of nearly $1.3 trillion. Their stock trades under the ticker AMZN and is priced at $127 per share. And once again is fairly popular amongst TipRanks investors, being held in 15.6% of top investors' portfolios. Amazon is very well liked amongst analysts. It has an impressive 38 analyst ratings and comes in as a strong buy based on 37 buys and just 1 hold. The average price target comes in at $177, which would be an upside potential of over 38% from current prices. The most recent rating came in yesterday from a 5-star analyst, giving it an upside potential of over 40%. We are now at the N in MATANA, and no, Netflix did not make the cut. It is instead being replaced by NVIDIA. With one of the smaller market caps within the group, they come in at $326 billion. They design and manufacture computer graphics processors, chipsets, and related multimedia software. Their stock trades under the ticker NVDA, priced at $130 per share. NVIDIA is slightly less popular than some of the others in the group, with about 8.2% of all portfolios holding the stock. The NVIDIA stock is rated a moderate buy among analysts, with 24 buy ratings and 9 holds, but with some recent decline in price, there seems to be some big upside potential for recovery. The average price target comes in at $208 per share. That would be 60% upside from current prices. Even recent hold ratings come in with upside potential of over 20%. And we have one very bullish price target from a Jefferies analyst at $280, which would be upside of 115%. And rounding out our MATANA group of stocks is another survivor from FAANG. This time, going under A instead of G, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google. With a market cap of $1.37 trillion, Google is the internet search giant and also has plenty of ad revenue, as well as apps and content on Google Play and YouTube. Trading under the ticker GOOGL, the stock is priced at $104 per share. Amongst TipRanks investors, they're held in 8.5% of all portfolios and have seen an increase of 7.7% in the last 30 days. And while they're not the most popular amongst investors of the group, they are well liked by analysts, coming in as a strong buy based on 30 buy ratings and 2 holds. With an average price target of $142 per share, that would be an upside potential of 36%. And those price targets come from a long list of 5-star analysts ranging from 33 to 77% upside. So there we have the proposed new grouping, MATANA, to replace FAANG stocks. Let me know your thoughts in the comments of this new lineup of companies, which you like, and if you agree with some of the changes from the original FAANG group. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.